Number 1.
1977 Chevrolet truck, price $5,500, shows approximately 46,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a bold purple exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, running on a dependable gasoline engine that delivers smooth performance. This vehicle is currently considered a project truck. While the body remains in solid condition, it could benefit from a fresh paint job to bring back its original shine. Both the motor and transmission are reported to be in good working order, offering a strong foundation for anyone interested in restoring or customizing a classic Chevrolet pickup. Sold as is, this truck presents a great opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking to bring new life to a vintage model with timeless appeal.
Number 2.
1981 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500, powered by a strong 350 V8 5.7L engine paired with a 700R4 transmission. It features several upgrades including an Edelbrock AVS2 carburetor and intake, aluminum radiator, new fuel pump, wires, plugs, distributor, and Edelbrock air filter. It also sports Flowmaster 40 mufflers and long tube headers for enhanced performance and sound. This truck rides on new 20-inch Vision wheels with fresh tires and comes with an extra set of 15-inch wheels with nearly new tires. The exterior has been updated with new wheel arch trim, body molding, and a front grille, while the original grille and tailgate are included. Inside, it has new door panels and Killmat soundproofing. The truck is originally equipped with AC and only needs a compressor and accumulator to be complete. All lights work properly, it runs great, and despite minor paint chips, it remains a clean and solid example of a well-maintained 1981 Chevrolet C10.
Number 3.
1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, with 75,000 miles on the odometer. This truck is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior feature a striking red finish, giving it a timeless and cohesive look. Recently, the owner has made several improvements to enhance its performance and sound. The truck has been fitted with an entirely new exhaust system, featuring true dual pipes, brand new exhaust tips, and Flowmaster mufflers for a deep, powerful tone.
In addition, the throttle cable has been replaced, and the carburetor has been tuned to ensure smooth operation. The air conditioning system blows cool air, though it just needs a bit more Freon for optimal performance.
It's also equipped with dual gas tanks for extended driving range and shows no signs of rust, a rarity for a truck of this age. Overall, this clean Blue Title Texas truck offers a blend of reliability, originality, and recent upgrades, making it a solid choice for classic truck enthusiasts. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1981 Ford F100, price $3,500. It currently has tags and insurance, and the owner drives it 3 to 4 times a week. Despite being 44 years old, the truck is considered a project vehicle, offering plenty of character and potential for continued restoration. It runs and drives quite well overall, though it still needs some minor attention and care. Many parts have already been replaced, including a new dual exhaust system, power steering pump and gearbox, spark plugs, wires, cap and rotor button, solenoid, taillight lenses, headlights, alternator, and water pump.
The front brakes, bearings, one rotor, and all 4 shocks have also been replaced.
Additionally, new door mirrors were installed to improve visibility and aesthetics. The truck comes with new rear brakes, wheel cylinders, and a spring kit, which just haven't been installed yet. A new heater core is still needed, along with a few other miscellaneous items to fully complete the restoration.
Number 5.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has approximately 170,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in green, while the interior features a clean gray color scheme. Powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine, this truck offers a smooth driving experience. It includes air conditioning and heating, a CD player, an alarm system, and tinted windows. The truck has manual windows and locks but remains in good overall condition. It features a 2-to-4 lowered suspension for a sportier stance, along with new rims and tires that enhance both its appearance and performance. Additionally, it has a completely new AC system and brand new front and rear lights, making it a well-maintained and stylish classic pickup.
Number 6.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $8,850. The exterior is finished in a striking bright red clear coat, complemented by a dark graphite interior. Powered by a 4.0L V6 flex fuel engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this 4WD Ranger offers both capability and reliability for everyday driving or off-road adventures. The truck stands out for its exceptionally clean condition, truly well cared for. One of its most distinctive highlights is the aftermarket Sony CD receiver, which adds a touch of fun with its flashing disco lights. In addition to its sharp looks, the Ranger is equipped with several key features that enhance its performance and utility, including alloy wheels, front tow hooks, a 95-amp alternator, heavy-duty gas shocks, trailer tow wiring harness, ABS brakes, and a full-size spare tire with tools.
Number 7.
1996 Ford F150, price $6,500, equipped with a dependable 4.9-liter inline-6 engine, well known for its strength and long-lasting performance. The mileage is completely original, reflecting careful ownership over the years. It runs and drives just as you would expect from a classic Ford, smooth, steady, and built to last. Recently, the truck has received several important maintenance updates, including brand new tires, new belts, a full tune-up, and a fresh oil change, ensuring it's in excellent running condition. This F-150 stands out for its solid build quality and timeless design, offering both reliability and comfort on the road.
Number 8.
1979 GMC Sierra, price $10,000, with 153,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck comes in its original blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, showcasing its authentic vintage appeal. Under the hood, it's powered by a freshly rebuilt 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance.
The interior has been recently refreshed, giving it a clean and well-maintained look, while the brand new wheels and tires add both style and stability on the road.
Additional highlights include a factory tachometer dash and a new windshield, which further enhance its originality and overall condition.
Number 9.
1967 Ford F100, price $7,500, powered by a 351 engine paired with a floor-mounted manual transmission. The truck has approximately 100,000 miles on it and runs on gasoline. Its exterior features a distinctive bare metal silver finish complemented by a bold red interior, creating a timeless vintage look. Equipped with a 6-inch drop kit, the truck sits lower for an aggressive stance and enhanced street presence. Although it has some minor rust in several areas, it remains structurally solid and retains its original charm. This F100 comes with a clean North Carolina title and represents an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a classic Ford project that blends old-school performance with custom style.
Number 10.
1971 Chevrolet C20, price $3,000. It comes equipped with factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and the original wood grain interior trim. Under the hood, it features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor paired to a 3-speed manual transmission. The engine was reportedly rebuilt sometime in the 1980s and still runs and drives well, though the choke is non-functional, making it a bit cold-blooded on startup. The truck starts, drives, and stops as it should, but it does require some exhaust work. As is common for these models, there is typical cab rust present. This Chevrolet C20 is offered with a clean and clear title in the owner's name, making it a solid foundation for restoration or continued use as a vintage driver.